I tell you what, boys, old Pepper Jasper J, he think he got a bike, don't he? Well, he might have a little bit of a bike, and I might have a little bit of trouble on my hands, but you know what? These 4-strokes here, I tell you what, you can't beat them. Unless, of course, you got a 2-stroke like Pepper Jasper J does. Damn it, man. I gotta find a way to beat his ass. I don't know, this is the Bo's looking dude. At least my bike does look better, but he might whip my ass saying so. On the street, that is. You know how we do it here. We like to give each other hell, though. Sometimes I think he's a saboteur. He won't try to saboteur my bike. But I got something for you, Pepper. I got some secret sauce for you. But hey, while we're sitting here, let's give a shout out to all our friends over in Britain, you know. RuckStyleUK. Hey, for all seriousness, man, hey, thanks for hitting me back up, dude. It truly meant a lot to me. But me and my boy Pepper Jasper J, we got our names from a radio show. They like to make fun of us from here in Kentucky, so you know what, we don't care. We don't give a damn. We just like riding our bikes, our Jeeps, and our diesels. Hey, thanks for commenting back on the sKyBizzare channel. Truly appreciated it, brother. But before I go, here's a public announcement by Pepper Jasper J himself.
Responsibility for that, Pepper.
I tried to control myself that time.
Pepper tried to control himself, I'll be dang. This man tried to control himself for one time in life. I will be dang.
Kind of hard to control.
That's true, it is, especially when you ain't got fresh to squeeze V8 juice coming out your ass.
I tell you, boys, it's kind of hard to control it uncontrollable. That's trademarked by Pepper Jasper J. Get some of that freshly squeezed V8 juice.